Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Go ahead, hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. Come join us. Come and learn and then earn. All right, good people. Hopefully you had a blessed and wonderful Father's Day. All of you fathers. I know it's one or two of you women going, I'm the mother and the father. That is impossible. No, you're not. Just be a good mother. Leave the father into the dads, okay? All right, let's go. I know. Just deal with it. I know it hurts, but deal with it. All right, let's go. So we got to see what's going on. Dow rallies 300 points. Oil retreats as investors bet Israel-Iran conflict will be contained. And so Iran does not, not want any beef with the U.S. They don't want us getting involved, and they're trying to de-escalate the situation. You can see here, a battered Iran signals it wants to de-escalate hostilities with Iran and negotiate. Let's talk. Let's not fight. Let's make peace, not war. And I hope that happens sooner than later. I hate war. All right. So we could see what happened here to the markets. The markets were actually up in the pre-markets. Okay. So Friday, oddly, which was the 13th, I didn't realize that. Friday was the 13th for all of you that are very superstitious. So we could see that we were down. Look at the NASDAQ, especially. The Dow, you're talking 30 to 34 companies. Let's go to the NASDAQ, and you could see it was down 234 points, and now, boom, look at that rise. That's what we want. Now, it's cooled off a little bit, but it's doing well. So the NASDAQ, of course, is tech heavy, raising all of the tech high. So I got some big tech here: Tesla, Nvidia, Apple, Amazon. Then I got the Qs there. You could see that they are all green, right? Now remember, these are not going QQQ and all of that. They're not going to be up 300% in a day, all right? 300 points, but not 300%. So this is a good day for tech. So tech had a nice bounce because it had a sell-off. Tech usually sells off here recently, meaning in the last 3 years. Tech usually hit the hardest when war or something like that happens. All right. And so we see this nice, really nice bounce. And because tech had a nice bounce, okay, and because the NASDAQ had a nice bounce at the time of recording this, we're talking 280 points on the NASDAQ. I saw QUBT. Look at this, right? This is another one that I brought to the family, and when no one was talking about it, it is up yet again, another 26%. Absolutely mooning, okay? Absolutely mooning. And you can see the others down here, not up as much, but we are killing it with D-Wave. We can see this Rigetti up, so 5%, 5.5%, Quantum Corp 5.5%. So we could see again the quantum stock are up. Another notable one, AMD was absolutely mooning, popping. AMD was up today. Just now, it was 8%. You could see where it's been right now. You can see the range here. Okay, so it's been doing well. Look at that. Look at that. So what's going on to rise AMD, this chip company? Here's what's going on. It got upgraded. AMD stock soars as Piper Sandler raises price target after advancing an AI event. That's what's happening with it. It got an upgrade, and some people in this industry, when they talk, the markets listen. It liked Piper Sandler's upgrade, and it upgraded. Okay, so as you can see, Advanced Micro Device is doing well. That's a nice pop. Look at that. Even over the last 5 days. Let's go out a little bit. Yeah, it's been holding well. Okay, so that is a few of the things that's going on with the crypto. With the stock. We're going to get to a little crypto. That's what I meant to say. So, good people, it's simple. Again, the onset of war. I let everybody know in Money Moves that that's where we were buying. And I list everything that I was buying and shared it with Money Moves and also with crypto. I shared it with Money Moves what we were buying because Friday was one of those days. The reality is that the market didn't overreact. It didn't go down as much as it did in prior onset of war. Okay. And so the market is getting numb to these news stories, right? Which I kind of like. So you're not going to have these big swings. But if you got cash and you got some dry powder on the sidelines, you actually welcome some of these dips. Let's take a peep into a crypto. On Friday, we started buying Bitcoin down 104, 103, 104. We were buying more Bitcoin. I alerted. We could see, this is just the last 24 hours. We could see XRP is up almost 8% in the last 24 hours. It's starting to wake up. We bought some more Solana. What else did we buy? We bought some more SUI. It's up 4% now. We bought some more Link. It's up 7% now. And we bought some, you know what, let's go to the memes. I'm going to share with you guys some of the stuff we bought. Okay. You know, I didn't buy any of the legacies. I bought a little more Pepe. And if you know I bought Pepe, you know I bought its twin brother Bunk up 5%. And then here's the swing trade that I shared with the good people, Mog. I buy it when it goes down, right? And some of you are asking, I also buy XCN. XCN. I buy it when it tanks and I patiently wait and then I sell it when it rips. Well, it was up 18%. Now it's up, 17%. Okay. Oxycoin, right? So now all is not lost for crypto. I'm just, for me, okay, I can't tell you what's going to happen tomorrow, even the next minute. But all I can tell you is that I have a lot of money in crypto. For me, what I see, the stable coin, the Genius Act, everything that I see that is still coming, I believe that crypto is still king this year. I believe that crypto is going to outperform all of the entire stock market, S&P, you name it. It's just going to outperform. So I never stopped DCAing, even though I had stop loss triggered. Okay. Someone asked, well, if you think it's going to go lower, like I said on Friday, Thursday or Friday of last week, why would you continue to buy? Because you don't know where the bottom is, all right? I don't know exactly where the bottom is. We know where support is. But as you can see, it was a rebound, making it a buying opportunity. And so when it dipped beneath 104 Bitcoin, I went in heavy and I bought some stacks of Bitcoin because I'm long on a Bitcoin. All right. All right, good people. I'm going to leave it right there. I want to let you guys know that I'm telling you our jobs. Now, I was a musician. I'm going to leave with this. I was a musician and we spent tons of time in the studios, okay? Recording and coming up with lyrics and beats, what have you. Been in the music industry all my life, played professionally, and recorded. I owned my own recording studio. So this stuff was second nature to me. My baby, my granddaughter, went to not Chat GPT. It was another large language model. And she made this song for me. And I was like, I'm going to play it for you guys, all right? This was my Father's Day gift from my baby. So when I listened to it, I had her set it up. So while this song is playing, I'm going to share with you the links that I want you to check out, including Stock Up You and Money Moves if you want my real-time play, okay? Plays in stocks and crypto, but more importantly, we have been uploading a lot of lessons and options for dummies. It's not too late. Every lesson is still up. There's still time. We're going to be pushing hard until the end of this month. All right, good people? We'll see you later. Check out my baby and her song. I'm going to play it to the end. All right? Love you guys. See you later. Live, love, laugh. and learn.
Hello, my name is Malia, and I made this song for my papa.
Uncle Larry dropping gems in the stock game heat. From the kitchen table to the Wall Street beat. We flipping dollars while the charts repeat. Hustling the grind till the mission's complete. We making money move, stacking up the wins. Turning little pockets into hefty bins. Uncle Larry's wisdom got us cashing in. When the market's rising, we just dive right in. He said buy low, sell high, that's the play. We watching numbers dance while the cash relay. From penny stocks to blue chips we slay. Every trade's a ticket to a brighter payday. We making money move, stacking up the wins. Turning little pockets into hefty bins. Uncle Larry's wisdom got us cashing in. When the market's rising, we just dive right in. He said buy low, sell high, that's the play. We watching numbers dance while the cash relay. From penny stocks to blue chips we slay. Every trade's a ticket to a brighter payday. We making money move, stacking up the wins. Turning little pockets into hefty bins. Uncle Larry's wisdom got us cashing in. When the market's rising, we just dive right in. Tickets flashing green, man, the vibe's surreal. Uncle Larry's lessons teaching how to seal the deal. We don't chase trends, we got patience and skill. When the market trembles, we stay calm and still. We making money move, stacking up the wins. Turning little pockets into hefty bins. Uncle Larry's wisdom got us cashing in. When the market's rising, we just dive right in.